All right, we got to show you the Dow heat map one more time here because, sure, there is some red on the screen, but look at the gains here. 447 points right at the top. We've got the one showing the most muscle. That is Amgen, up 11%. The pharmaceutical giant is getting quite a major boost today on promising interim results during mid-stage trials of its weight loss drug, Maritide. This is an injectable for obese or overweight adults who don't have diabetes. Amgen says it's already working, and they are working with regulators to plan a late-stage trial. A possible new entry into the market is sending major players in the GLP-1 space. Eli Lilly, maker of Zepbound, down about 2%, and Novo Nordisk, which makes Ozempic and Wegovy, down 0.5%. Weight loss drugs aren't just shaking up the pharma industry. In the last few months, gyms have warned that they're seeing lower attendance. Walmart said its customers on Ozempic are buying less at its grocery stores. Well, GNC wants to capitalize on those shifts. The nutrition company just launched a new strategy to cater to GLP-1 users. And what they're doing is they're dedicating a wall of supplements in their more than 2,300 stores to products they believe will appeal to those on the drugs. CEO Michael Costello joins us live from the GNC store in Derby, Kansas. Michael, tell us how you're evolving your retail stores and space amid the Ozempic craze.
Yes, thank you for having me here, Liz. I'm super excited to tell you the story because GNC since 1935 has been helping consumers live well. And GLP-1 is a new trend, as you talked about. And it comes with lots of side effects. In fact, 50% of people leave the treatment because of side effects, especially with GI issues.
Okay, and let's talk about the side effects. There's fatigue, there's nutrient deficiency, there's loss of muscle. And so tell us exactly what products you have and why you're changing your shelving to make an entire area. I assume it's because you see some demand here?
We do. Liz, we know that, as we said, these consumers, they get off the drug too quickly many times and don't get the results they want. And this is a tough journey for everybody. If you've watched the Hulu special, you can see all of the complaints that people had to try and maintain on the drug. 73% of people have a GI issue when they did the clinical studies. We have products back here that are set up for digestive health. That would be Super Gut, which is a shake you make that adds fiber. That's also probiotics, ginger. But as you talked about, muscle mass, maintaining that muscle mass is tough. You lose more muscle mass on many of these than other ways to lose weight. So we have HMB, which has over 40 clinical studies to show that it helps you maintain muscle mass, as well as creatine and protein. Energy, as you talked, we have both B12 as well as energy drinks. And then because of nutrient deficiency, you have to worry about bone health. So we have calcium, vitamin K, vitamin D, and then we have multivitamins that really help you maintain all of the various elements of because your calories so restricted, you're eating so much less food, you're not getting all of your nutrition from the food. Yeah. We have products here that help you.
Yeah, it sounds like it. I'm particularly interested in the loss of muscle because, sure, the people who go on this drug, they're dying to lose fat. But then they're saying, wait a minute, what happened to the muscle that I worked on? You have everything from GNC Pro Performance Creatine, as you said, Total Lean Shake 25. Tell me about the shakes, because people don't have enough stomach to eat the kind of food and the amount of food that they used to when they finally go on these drugs. So is a shake, I guess, much more palatable to them?
Well, as you know, because the GLP-1 makes you feel satiated, you may not be getting enough calories. You're still trying to reduce your calorie intake to lose weight, but you don't want to go so drastic. Mm-hmm. The shakes don't satiate you so much. So you're allowed to get more calories to keep that at a more healthy level versus dropping it so low. We also have protein if you'd rather have that. And you can mix that in a shake at home. No matter how you want it, we have the products for you.
Michael, how much are you spending to do this, to move these shelves all together, put up a sign that says side effects and everything, and train, I would imagine, your employees?
Yeah, that's a great point. First of all, we're not measuring all the costs because we're here to help consumers on their journey. We did extensive training over the month of April with all of our coaches in store. we shut down, and I was in Queens Sunday morning from 8:30 to 11, where we did training and role play so we could have empathy for all the folks coming into their stores, talk about the journey that folks are going on and how we can help them. And then, of course, to move all the shelves in the store takes time and effort. But we're thinking about it more of this is necessary to help our consumer.
Okay. Real quickly,
we're going to invest.
I want to jump in because we're running out of time, but your competitor, Vitamin Shop, has actually taken it a step further. They're partnering with a telehealth company that can then prescribe GLP-1s to customers. Any plans to do something similar?
We have made the decision to not have GLP-1s because we want to be a trusted advisor, an objective advisor. If you come in, you want to take a GLP-1, great. You want to take other products we have like Glucotrim, that's good too. So we're going to be objective. We're going to help you on your journey. We're not going to be pushing a GLP-1 on you.
Okay, so everybody should expect a different look, at least on some of the shelves for GLP-1 space, or at least the side effects in GNC stores. Yep, we're showing it to you first. Folks, thank you for joining us in a Fox Business exclusive. Michael Costello.